Hi, you guys. If you're also looking for something to make your skin look bright, clear, and amazing at home, then today I have a great review for you. A wow Amazon rainforest collection. This face mask retails for 449 rupees, but you can always get it at a discount. And I'm going to share my live results with you. That how beautifully in just 20 minutes it makes my skin very soft, supple, glowing, and visibly brighter. So here's my review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for such amazing content, guys. I love you all.